Today I'll be showing you how to create a surprise box. This particular box will have 2 layers, but I'll need 3 boxes to complete it. Make sure you insert the boxes inside of each other to make sure they can fit comfortably. You don't want to go through all of this and the boxes don't fit. I have my X-Acto knife and I'm going to start detaching the side from the base of the box. Detaching the side from the base helps to give it that surprise effect that we're needing for the surprise box. Y'all, I was struggling to get those sides detached. Like, wait. But no, for real. When you do this, make sure you have a sharp X-Acto knife because I don't need you struggling like your girl. It was not pretty. It was not easy. All right, y'all. It was a struggle, but your girl finally got those side panels detached. And now it's time to decorate. I have here some blue construction paper. I'm going to use this on 2 side panels. And you see me bending the paper. That is to help me get it basically an imprint of the square. And that just helps me to cut out the square faster. And I'm also going to use that same square that I cut out to cut out a second piece. Okay, so I finally decided that I was going to use the blue glitter paper and I'm going to get that blue glitter paper cut out the same way I cut out the blue construction paper. Now that I have the paper cut out and where I want it to be, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and begin to glue the pieces down. Here I've already glued the second box to the first box and I'm going to start detaching the sides. I highly recommend that you glue the box down first before you start to detach the sides. All right, it's time for my favorite part again. Time to make it sparkle, time to make it pretty, time to make it unique. I'm going to add all sparkle to this second part of the box. It's only right. It's only right. So I'm using the same technique that I did with the first layer of the box. So I've taken the smallest box that I have and I cut that box in half to make it about the size of a ring box. So if you have a ring box, you can use that instead of cutting it in half. But then I have a piece of foam that I'm going to put inside of that box to then put in my faux flower bouquet. And these flowers are like a light blue. I thought they were very pretty. You know we have to add a little razzle dazzle to the third box. So I'm going to take some of that dark blue glitter paper and I'm going to hot glue it to the side. Once that is done, I'm going to hot glue this box to the second box. I went ahead and added all of the blue gifts and the blue snacks off camera, but this is the final look. And for the moment you've been waiting for,